Hey everybody, it's been a while since I put out a video, so I thought I would do a channel update. I have been painting, I just haven't been recording footage. I've been working on miniatures, doing studies on the different types of ways to paint miniatures, the way the miniature guys do it. So using, the Citadel method and the Army War Paints method, using their charts, and then using my own techniques that I would paint with large scale models and just kind of blend all the different types together just to see what works for me. And so here's a bunch of models that I did. It was a fun exercise. I found that filming miniatures is not as easy as filming large scale. This camera setup is quite different, and if you get too close it just doesn't look good, so you have to be a bit farther. My favorite out of all of them was the crossbones. I really enjoyed doing that one. I thought it turned out really well. Moving on, what's coming up next is the IPMS show in October. So I want to do this Spider-Man villain, the Chameleon, for that. And so I've got it all 3D printed here. I started already working on the base. Now I do have a lot of hobbies, and one of them is pinball. I was doing some restoration work on my Data East Batman pinball, and I decided to make a Batwing model using the Metal Earth model. And it turned out okay. Not a big fan of those Metal Earth models. They're pretty flimsy, so when you start bending stuff, things break. Moving on, I got this Wolverine sculpture here that is also from the X-Men pinball from Stern. This is for a relative of mine, and I will be painting this up so he can put it in his pinball machine. And lastly, what I want to do next after all that is I want to do a video of painting an Aurora kit in 2026. So I chose the Frankenstein Illuminator kit that I have. I'm just going to prime it over and paint it as if it was an original Aurora kit. Now, the first model I ever put together and painted it as a kid, I think it was this Frankenstein from Aurora, and I think it was the glow-in-the-dark one. It was either that or the Aurora Spider-Man action scenes kit. I can't remember which one came first, but it was one of those. And so with that, that's a wrap, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.